Happy customer, happy heart. This cake was designed straight from my imagination, a vision brought to life to match both expectations and reality. I handcrafted all the fondant toppers at home, including the teddy, rainbow and baby-themed accents. A sweet 2-kilogram pineapple-flavoured cake for a precious newborn baby boy. Alhamdulillah, my order is completed successfully and beautifully. The colour palette is beautiful. The gold accents, turquoise marbling and royal blue details pop really nicely. Rainbow topper with the gold detailing is eye-catching and has a celebratory, almost regal feel. Here's a little peek into the making process. Base decor, baby bottle, romper, feet, etc. is clear and clean. Fondant teddy is adorable and well shaped. The stitching and bow tie give it character.
भारी बेस बना।
Beautifully golden sponges, baked to perfection, layered with care and precision. Welcome to the world plaque is well placed and readable. Great balance between edible and decorative toppers, e.g. balls, disco ball, fan. This stunning newborn baby boy cake features a soft, white and blue marbled buttercream base with delicate accents of gold and white. The top is adorned with an adorable handmade fondant teddy, a beautiful fondant rainbow, and edible metallic balls that add a playful yet classy touch. Around the sides, charming baby-themed fondant toppers like a romper, bottle, and tiny feet, bring in sweet details that celebrate the arrival of a little one. The cake is finished with smooth, white pearl sprinkles, adding just the right sparkle. Inside is a moist, flavourful 2-kilogram pineapple sponge, layered and filled to perfection. Every element is handcrafted with love, creativity and care. A true custom centrepiece for a special celebration. Now ready for delivery. What's your thoughts? Would you give us 10 out of 10 rating? This is a highly creative, beautifully executed cake. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.